Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ella. Happy birthday to you. You want to blow it out?
Yes.
Yay! There's your cake.
Baby.
What you gonna do?
What do I do with my hand? Get a raspberry. That's what your sissy did too.
I'll get a raspberry for me too.
Ava, hold on, baby. Let's let her look for a minute, and then we can have some.
I'll watch her look.
She in the way. It's okay. Right here. There you go. Get it, Ella.
I'm trying to eat it.
Get it.
Eat it.
Get
Ava.
it, sweet little baby. Get it, sweet little sweet baby. Get it. That's a cup of
Know what to do with herself.
Eat it, sissy.
Pretty.
Ella, watch. Look.
I'll give you a raspberry. Yeah, get it.
Mm.
He's not eating it. Got her face
She's like, I'm dirty.
I want fussy.
Come here.
Mm.
Can you hold me like that again?
I think now that she's tasted it, let's see what she does. Sour.
She's excited.
This is what Ava did too.
She's already digging in by now, though.
She's just like, I have messy
She
hands.
keep doing that.
I want to get in the bath.
I'll start cutting it.
On
Oh.
help! Catch some of that one, please. A big scoop of wet.
She like wants to eat it, but she won't.
Yeah, a big scoop of cream. Big
Try this.
scoop. I'll take that. I'll take that.
Ava, Vincent, listen. You're gonna have some, okay? This is Sissy's time because it's her birthday, and then you can have some in just a minute.
Baby.
Yeah, it's yummy. Ava this time, like when
She's
she
going-
saw us taking some, she got mad.
She like screamed.
She's like, ah.
Whoa.
Oh, it's so tiny. Like a petite. Hold on. Ava?
Is that one for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ella, eat some.
Look here, Ella. Ava, here.
Thank you.
Let me grab you.
There you go.
Where she put her-
Now she's gonna go for it.
She's all the attention. She like can't deal with it. Like, under pressure.
Ava, use that fork, okay? Hi. Do you want some, Naomi?
Sure.
Naomi.
Oh, there you go. Slam. Is your hand?
Get it.
Go. Is it good, Ava? Delicious.
Her-
Good,
wanna
good.
hold that for you?
Really good.
We gotta hurry before she gets her hands all over it. Go, go, go.
That's I don't want a lot, so.
Okay.
Oh.
Go. Yay.
She's gonna.
Here you go, Bubba.
Thank you.
Here, we can share a plate after we're done.
Yeah.
Now she just wants to smush it.
Hold
on, Ella. Hold on. It's done, right?
Yep.